Things that can make your cervix bright red and irritated, as I feel like I'm in a cervix right now. Hi, I'm your local OBGYN. I love women, and let's talk about it. So the cervix is kind of like its own separate organ space. We consider it separate from the uterus and the endometrium and the ovaries and the tubes and all of that. But it's kind of like the cap, the top of the vagina, and it has all these different cells there that can secrete mucus, but can also get really irritated. And then they actually switch from almost more mucosa, like inside of your mouth type cells, to these different kind of cells that can kind of look scary if you don't know what you're looking at, but are actually usually pretty darn normal. So what I will tell you is that infections, whether they are benign, meaning just like something like BV or yeast, or an STD, can actually irritate the cervix enough to make it weepy and bleed. It can increase the discharge and the mucus that's coming out of there. And things that can affect the cervix as well are trauma from intercourse, meaning somebody really like going in there pretty heavily. You can actually get a cut in there if somebody has dirty fingernails and is touching back there as well. And then obviously if you over manipulate the cervix, you can actually start shedding from your lining earlier than your monthly cycle, but kind of like rattling off some of the layers of the lining that was meant for your period, but is coming out earlier because you're kind of shaking it off if you're touching there too much.